All right, here's four things that come to mind have taken years off my life. Probably number one is this leaf blower you hear outside, blowing leaves around. Hold on. It's a little better, but I mean blowing leaves around. Usually, I run my lawnmower over them a couple times, they turn into mulch. You know, I mow back and forth, and I mow this way, back and forth with the mower, pushing it and then pulling it, and it just keeps breaking the leaves up, especially when they're dry. I'm looking out now, there's just these leaf blowers. I mean, really? A lot of times I think mowing companies you kind of pay them to mow the lawn, and the lawn blows onto the sidewalks, and then you pay them to blow the leaves off the sidewalks, you know? Oh my God. I also think I used to mow lawns, but I think they cut too short, which makes the grass grow fast, which is good for them. But like 3 inches? But that's a whole other thing. Number two, baby seats. I break a sweat putting in the baby seats with the clips, even the new clips, which aren't that new, I'm too in a rush and I don't loosen the strap. So I'm trying to put it in really tight, and sure enough, for some reason I get into a rush. Like I'm prone to, and there's really no reason to rush. Sometimes it's raining. My wife seems to like loosen the strap and go, but maybe she loses a few years of her life with baby seats too. Thank God we're getting into booster territory. Number three, the things that have taken years off my closet behind me. Oh, I can't but. Oh my God, that's the big leaf sucker. Wow, they're blowing the leaves around, and then they got this machine that sucks them up. Granted, it's a little bit of a big space, but oh my Lord Jesus. Closet, I should have been in finance where I could wear a suit every day, or in the tropics where I could wear sort of a bathing suit that's damp all the time. Those are my two things, because I don't want to pick anything out. I like the uniform. I just don't really want to deal with it. All right, the absurd leaf sucker is moving away, and the leaf blowers are retreating into the distance. Laundry. Sort of a long line with my closet back there. I just don't care. I mean, I do, so I do my laundry. Thank God I don't have to do the kids' laundry, because my wife and I split up some of those duties. But yeah, laundry. It's the same every time, and what I like to do once a month or every 2 months is like bleach every white thing in the house. My hope is I will never have to do it again. If I can do it good enough, I'll never have to do it again. Oh, I'm going to go further. Cabinet doors. Cabinet doors, you're opening and you're closing your whole life. And so you're like, it's all like some Downton Abbey BS where you have to do the dishes, dry the dishes, put them in the cupboard. I think this was a time when people had servants. I was in Italy once visiting some friends in an old condo. It was kind of a condominiumized fantasy chateau. No, villa. So, but really they had to have 4 people living in it to cover it. We had dinner with them and they did the dishes in the sink really quick while there's nothing to stick up, and then they took the dishes and they put them on this rack above the sink, and they dripped into the sink and stayed there. If they had a lot of people, they had other stuff, so the dishes just stayed there. Put them on the table, wash them, put them on the rack, they dry into the sink. Come on. The post office. Oh, something about the post office is very 1980 to 1910 or 18, whatever, 1700, when the post office was invented. That's great. Now I'm like, so yeah, I'm going to go stand in this industrial building. Good people working there, but the whole process is flawed. It's just something about it when you're standing there is inherently wrong. I don't know what it is. Maybe that they drop the mail off, they could pick it up. Maybe then there's UPS and FedEx, and Amazon is using the post office all the time, though, for deliveries. I don't know what it is with the post office. That's basically all I can think of now. I think it really comes down to I want to do big jobs, like dig a ditch or, clean the whole house, refinish the floors, and I don't want to do it again. I just want it to be done. Maybe if I could do a good enough job, it would just stay. But no, these things keep coming back, taking years off my life, probably more than many bad diets or things like that. But we go on. Yeah, stay away from those things if you can out there. Okay, I think I'll be all right.